Oftentimes I'll do a mix, so I'll do pork and turkey, but here I'm just doing a quick turkey meatball. And to make sure, people say turkey, it's dry, I don't like it so much. One of the ways that I've done that really boosts up the moisture content is I'm gonna throw in some, again, veggies in here. Here we have cut up broccoli.
Minced broccoli, guys.
Broccoli. The inspiration for this was sort of a broccoli cheese ball kind of thing. I've got, again, a little bit of parm coming in here. I've got some panko breadcrumbs again. I've got a grated onion. This is a great trick.
Oh, this is a great tip. My mom always says this too.
If you don't have time to saute an onion till translucent,
just grate it right over the bowl, and then the juice goes right in the bowl too.
So good. Some fresh parsley again, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and
bless you.
2 eggs. Bless you, indeed. Yeah, 2 eggs. Just
keep it moist.
That's the thing, is when you're working with turkey, you really do want, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. This is the secret sauce right here.
I love Worcestershire.
Okay, I'll go a little bit more. Okay, and then
mix it together. Here, look. Oh, mix it together, and then you use a scoop, and it looks like this.
Rachel really wants to eat these meatballs.